In this video, I will show you how to use Perplexity AI to stay updated on the most recent news and specific topics. I begin by going to the main search bar to enter a highly specific query. I type in a request for news from the last 48 hours regarding global AI safety regulations, specifically looking for updates in the EU and the US. I make sure to ask for a summarized bulleted list that includes the specific source and the date of publication for every point to ensure I'm getting the most credible information. After I click the search button, Perplexity quickly scans current web sources to find the most relevant and timely information. The results highlight recent progress on the EU Digital Omnibus proposal and various US federal AI frameworks, providing clear citations for each. Now, I will try a different topic to see how it handles financial news and projections. I type a prompt asking for the latest reported earnings and growth projections for NVIDIA, requesting the specific numbers found in their most recent fiscal filings. I also ask the AI to list the top 3 sources it used and explain why those sources are considered authoritative for financial reporting. The AI generates a detailed breakdown of NVIDIA's recent performance, including their $68 billion revenue and significant year-over-year growth in the data center segment. This shows just how effective Perplexity is for deep diving into specific news, technical reports, and market trends. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.